Welcome to Mdigitaledu. Let's explore Python data types. 1. Integers. Whole numbers, positive or negative. 2. Floats. Numbers with decimal points. 3. Strings. Sequences of characters and quotes. 4. Booleans. True or false values. 5. Lists. Ordered collections in square brackets. 6. Tuples. Immutable collections in parentheses. 7. Dictionaries. Key value pairs in curly braces. 8. None. Represents absence of a value. Integers and floats for numbers. Strings for text. Booleans for logic. Lists and tuples for collections. Dictionaries for key value pairs. Understanding these helps write efficient code